It seemed like just another traffic stop.
It's not a line, right? I want you to pretend you have a line. But I can't pretend if it's not a line.
Until one snap decision sets off a chain of events and a driver finds himself on the run.
Stop right there. Bro, why you arresting me? Why you arresting me? Stop. Put your hands on your back. Why you arresting me? Yo, are you shot, Joey? Joey, are you shot?
1024, advise me of 1020 status. Is he hurt?
20. I need an ambulance. He's in and out of consciousness. He's got laceration on his face.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. This all took place on a busy Georgia highway, and it ended with a weapon pulled, a high-speed chase, and a football star at the center of it. It's December 31st of 2022. We're in Atlanta, Georgia, on the GA 400. It's just after 2 a.m. when an officer spots a pickup driving well over the speed limit. The police report states the truck was going nearly 90 miles per hour in a 55 zone.
I'm at a traffic stop, 75 north, right at north side, on a blue F-150. The number 8, King 0. Atlanta Police Department. Hey, sir. Okay, I'm stopping you. I've been behind you for a while. I noticed when you were on 400 southbound, I started pacing your speed at 89. Been swerving. You got a Tennessee license as well? You have a Tennessee license as well? What was that? Which license?
This is my old one.
Let me see. So where do you live now? Say that again? I can't hear you. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Do you live in Atlanta or you live in Tennessee? Okay, you live in Atlanta? Okay.
Now, if you're a Texas Tech or Tennessee Titans football fan, you might recognize the driver. He's NFL wide receiver Cameron Batson. At the time of this incident, though, the 27-year-old had just signed with the Atlanta Falcons, so it might explain this whole license problem. But that's not what really mattered.
Okay. How much have you had tonight? Just 2 drinks? What kind of drinks were they? 2 tequila? How long ago was that? Okay, was that at a bar or at a friend's house? Okay. All right, and that's all you had? All right, come over here. Let me talk to you on the back of the car before I just want to make sure you're. What was that? I know. Before I let you go, since you were swerving back there, I just want to make sure everything is.
I wasn't swerving.
What was that?
I wasn't swerving.
Okay, just leave. Don't touch it. Just leave it. Leave it.
No, I'm leaving.
Leave it. Okay,
That's my friend.
all right, just come out to the back of the car. Please don't what? I mean, you're grabbing a gun. I'm telling you to leave the gun where it is.
Sorry.
Come over here to the back of the car for a minute. No, sorry, relax. Just put that in your pocket. You're fine. Let me talk to you outside. 10-20. I'm in field sobriety.
No, sir, please don't.
Yeah.
Please.
What was that?
I can walk a straight line, whatever.
Okay, get me out for a minute. Okay. Just relax.
But that's my gun.
Get me out for a minute. Look, I'm not telling you you're in trouble or anything like that.
No,
Hear me out.
I am in trouble.
I need.
I
Why?
am in trouble.
Why do you say that?
Because I know that you're gonna take me because you said you smell alcohol. But that wasn't.
But that just because I can smell alcohol coming from the vehicle doesn't mean that you're in trouble. You understand? Look, I noticed. Let me finish.
Trying to get me.
Listen, I'm not. Listen, I'm trying to protect you. I'm trying to protect her. I'm trying to protect the public. If you are not safe to drive, I got to make sure that you are or not. You see what I'm saying? What was that?
I'm telling you, I can do
over here.
everything.
No, don't come on. Come over here to the back, to the side of the car. Okay. What is that? Okay. Can you take a quick field sobriety test?
I can walk a line. I can do whatever.
Okay. Do you have any physical condition that will prevent you from doing a few walking exercises?
No, sir. I did hurt my back.
How long ago?
My back. Yes, 2 days ago.
Okay. Is it preventing you from walking?
No, No, I can walk.
No,
around.
I don't want you to go over there. I don't want you to get hit by a car. All right, just stand right there for me. So stand right here for me. Just put your hands to your side. Can you put that in your pocket, your vape? Look, just, I want you to relax for a minute. All I'm doing right now.
I don't want to take a surprise. Like I told you, the only thing I don't want to do anything. So.
Okay, Daddy, you don't want to do what?
Like I just want to go home, please.
Okay, no, listen. Can you take a field sobriety test? You don't want to take a field sobriety test?
No.
Okay, can you take a preliminary breath test?
What is that? Can you explain?
It's a preliminary breath test. It's a handheld device.
Can I call Mr.
Well, not right now. Let me talk to you for a minute. Hold on. Can you take a field sobriety? Hold on a second. Can you take a field sobriety test? Yes or no?
What's a field sobriety test?
Basically, a few exercises, walking exercises, and things like that. Just
I can walk.
Even though he agreed to do it, the field sobriety test likely didn't score Cameron any extra points.
So, what we need to do, keep your head straight. Follow my finger with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Don't move your head.
Oh, okay. Tell me not to move my head.
Yeah, just keep following with your eyes. Just follow the finger, okay?
I'm following.
Okay. You gotta keep following the finger.
I'm following it. But I mean, you put it right and then you put it left, so.
Yeah, just follow it.
You want me to keep following you?
Yes, keep following the finger.
I mean, I'm great. Like,
Can you do this exercise or no?
I can. I'm following.
Okay, so
left
just keep
and right.
following.
Okay.
Just keep following. Put your hands to your side for me.
20 westbound in Castle, 17
Can you continue the exercises?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so come over here, right here. Stand right there for me. Okay. I want you to.
Which way?
I want you to pretend you have a line in front of you.
A light.
A line, like this line right here. No, I don't want you to go to the line. I want you to stay right there. I just want you to. No, stand right here for me, sir. Right here.
Like which line? It's not a line.
Right. I want you to pretend you have a line.
But I can't pretend if it's not a line.
Okay. I just want you to pretend you have a straight line going towards my
So
car.
can I line this line right here?
No, I want you to right here, sir. Right here.
Right
Look.
here.
Okay. Hear me out. Come down. I cannot do that. It's a crack. Right here.
It's a line.
Stand right there for me. Right here. I understand.
Is it not a line?
I gotta follow this as just as the instructions says. So I just want you to pretend you have a line going straight towards my car. So go ahead and put your left.
I have a line though.
Okay.
I don't have a line.
You can't do the exercise today.
I don't have a line.
I want you to pretend you have a line.
But I'm saying like I have a line there.
Right. That's a crack.
Mr.
Varela.
Yeah.
So that's a crack. I can't let you because you're gonna be.
Okay. Can we get a line?
We can't get a line right there. So I got it right here. I just. Don't worry about not having the line in front of you. I just want you to.
What you want me to do? Right.
Okay.
Man?
I want you to pretend you have that line. Go ahead and put your left foot on that imaginary line, like so.
What line? Show me which line.
Okay.
I'm just asking.
Hear me out for a minute.
No. I'm just asking because I just want to know which line you want me.
You're going to pretend you have a line.
I know that.
Okay.
I was valedictorian in my high school.
Okay, good.
So I want to know like, that's a crack. That's a line. So I want to know what line do you want me to.
You're going to pretend you have one. Okay. So go ahead and put your left foot on that line. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Okay. Go ahead and do it over again. No, do it over again. Go back. Listen for my instruction. Go ahead and put your left foot on the line.
Put your line. This one.
Imaginary line. Yeah. Now put your right.
Can you put your arrow where the line is?
Okay.
Like, can you put your camera?
Look. Imagine you have a line going from there.
Can you turn to me?
Right here.
Can you turn to me?
I want you to put your right hand.
Which line? Which line?
Okay, sir. I want you to I said imaginary line. You don't have a line. You're going to pretend you have a line in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and put your left foot on that line. Okay. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Put your hands to your side. On your side. To your side. I want you to hold that position. Don't do anything until I tell you to, okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line.
I'm going to take what?
You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line. You're going to turn around and you're going to take 9 heel.
So exactly on this second arrow.
You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps coming back.
1.
Hold on, sir. Go back.
You said.
Not yet. Hold on. Give me a minute. I'm going to show you how it's going to look, okay? From your position, you're going to go 1, 2, 3. I took 3 steps, but I want you, sir, hold on a second. Don't start. Hold on. Let me finish the instructions so you can start. So I only took 3 steps, but I want you to take 9. You're going to leave your front foot planted. You're going to take a series of small steps, turn yourself around, and then you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps coming back down.
9 that way and 9 back this way?
Correct. And it's going to look something like this. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Don't start, sir. So while you're doing the test, I want you to look at.
Can I start or not?
I'll let you know.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Right. 1. Are you listening, sir?
Yeah, I'm listening. Let me know when you finish.
2.
All right, go ahead and put your feet.
While I'm not on that line.
Okay, go ahead and put your feet together like that. Put your hands to your side. Don't hold this position. Don't do anything until I tell you to start. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So when I tell you to begin, you're going to lift whichever foot you feel comfortable, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep your hands to your side. Hold on a second. Just put your feet out.
Right foot or left foot?
Whichever foot you feel comfortable. Every foot, okay? You're going to put your hands to your side, and I want you to look at that elevated foot and count out loud the following way: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. And you're going to keep counting until I tell you to stop. Again, you're going to keep your hands to your side. You're going to lift whichever foot you feel comfortable, approximately 6 inches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Continue.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
All right, go ahead and stop.
Now, we're not in Cameron's head, so we don't know what he was thinking. Maybe he felt confident he passed that, but we know what comes next, even if he didn't see it coming.
We're just going to walk straight, like, to the middle of the car. Just go walk on a straight line. Just walk towards my car real quick. Stop right there.
Bro, why you stop? Why you arresting me? Stop. Put your hands on your back. Why you arresting me? Why you arresting me, sir? Stop. Why you arresting me? Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Why you arresting me? Put your hands on your back. Why you arresting me, sir? Why you arresting me? Sir, why you arresting me? Stop. Sir, I'm just asking. I'm going to taste you. Go ahead, put your hands behind your back.
We have to pause it here because y'all know the drill, YouTube guidelines, but this is what we know from the police report. While attempting to take Batson into custody, a fight ensued, and during the altercation, Officer Valera discharged his city-issued firearm. Officer Valera was injured and incapacitated during the encounter. Batson fled the scene in the vehicle he was originally operating.
25s. I need an ambulance.
I got you. I need an ambulance. We have a comment.
Make a right.
Right there, that close to jump in. Make a right.
Yo, are you shot, Joey? Joey, are you shot?
1024. Advise me of 1020 status. Is he hurt?
20. I need an ambulance. He's in and out of consciousness. He's got laceration on his face.
Okay.
Joey.
Yo,
Yo, whoever's up here, turn your siren. Joey, you good? Open your eyes, bro. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Come on. Come on, Joey. Joey, are you stabbed, shot, anything crazy? Talk to me.
Black male, black long sleeve jeans.
Joey, are you shot somewhere?
Black long sleeve jeans.
Joey.
Can you hear me?
Kill all the sirens. Joey, are you shot somewhere?
Get his gear off. Check his body.
I'm working on it.
According to Atlanta PD, the officer was treated for his injuries at Grady Hospital. But what happened with Cameron? Again, going off the police report, this is what it says. Driver number 1 got into the driver's seat and drove up to the North Side Drive exit at a high rate of speed. When attempting to navigate the curve on the exit ramp, lost control of vehicle 1 and struck the retaining wall on the front right passenger side of vehicle 1. Vehicle 1 then hit the wall with the side of the vehicle and continued to the top of the ramp. Driver 1 continued to drive vehicle 1 to the top of the ramp, then made a right turn before driver 1 decided to jump out of vehicle 1 while the vehicle was still in motion. Driver 1 then fled the scene and was later found in the area hiding in someone's backyard. Both passengers did initially stay inside the vehicle, but shortly after exited the vehicle and were found down the street sitting in someone's front yard. Driver 1 did not complain of any injuries, but was checked out by Grady Detention to make sure there were no injuries. The wide receiver was charged with aggravated assault, battery, removal of a weapon from a public official, and driving/fleeing to elude a police officer. After his arrest hit the news, the Atlanta Falcons issued a brief statement saying, "We have been made aware of an overnight incident involving Cameron Batson and are currently gathering information from law enforcement agencies. We take this matter seriously and have no further comment at this time." By January 2nd of 2023, Cameron appeared inside an Atlanta courtroom with a different uniform from the helmet and protective pads.
Mr. Batson, were you able to hear and understand all the rights that I just read out to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I want to assure you that your attorney, Mr. Samuel, is on the line, and he'll be assisting you during your hearing today. Your charges are aggravated assault against a law enforcement officer when engaged in official duty, second count of aggravated assault, fleeing and attempting to elude a police officer, removal or attempted removal of a weapon from a public official, and battery. Officer Gordon, let me begin with you, please.
Your Honor, the GCIC indicates the defendant has no criminal record on file. He was not recommended for unsecured judicial release. Nothing further.
Okay, thank you. ADA Hall?
Your Honor, at this time, the state is going to be requesting no bond in regards to this case, Judge. Respectfully, in regards to this case, you look at the facts of it, Your Honor, the state does acknowledge that he does not have any records indicated by Madam Pretrial, Judge. However, the facts of the case are troubling in that, Judge, he's charged with aggravated assault of an officer. Additionally, Judge, he tried to remove the said taser from the officer and subsequently used that taser on the officer. He's charged with fleeing to elude as well, Judge, a battery, and then also an aggravated battery as well. With that being said, Judge, respectfully, we submit that these were violent offenses. It was clearly a threat to the community, Judge. Additionally, Judge, we're just concerned about his overall conduct. With that being said, Judge, the state is requesting no bond.
Good morning, Mr. Samuel. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Your Honor. Good to see you again.
Good to see you always. Let me hear from you on bond, please.
Yeah. Your Honor, Mr. Batson grew up in Oklahoma. He went to Texas Tech University. He graduated cum laude with a degree in accounting. As you may know, he became a professional football player. He played with the Tennessee Titans for a number of years and recently joined the Atlanta Falcons team. He plays on the second team now, the practice team there. The events here happened Friday night, early Saturday morning, and it was a stop by the police officer. Mr. Batson got out of the car, started doing the field sobriety test, was walking a straight line, and he and the police officer got into a disagreement. And at one point, the police officer, as far as we can tell, and without really much justification, well, first of all, he handcuffed Mr. Batson, then pulled out his taser and tased him. And there was no reason to do that. He wasn't trying to flee or elude or anything. He hadn't assaulted the police officer, but the police officer tased him. It was extremely painful. Mr. Batson tried to push the taser away, grabbed the taser, not to use it, but to stop him from tasing him again. He never actually took possession of the taser, and he then just started running and ran away. The aggravated assault is apparently, some pushing and shoving and maybe a punch. There was no weapon. He didn't use a weapon against the police officer. He never took possession of the police officer's taser, though he did try to grab it away from the policeman. There was no firearm used or anything like that. We don't believe there's an aggravated battery charge, at least that's not what I've seen, just a simple battery. We would ask for a bond, minimal bond. As I said, he plays with the Falcons. They stand by him. The season's coming to an end. He's going to need to travel home, visit with his family in Oklahoma, but we'll be back in a couple months to be with the Falcons. He rents a home here. He has an aunt and I think 2 cousins who live here in Atlanta. Though being a professional football player, obviously he gets traded, and so he ended up in Atlanta last year, and that's who he's been playing with. So we would ask for a bond. We don't believe this is a case that requires no bond. He's not a flight risk. He's well established in the community at this point, has family support behind him, and think a reasonable bond should be set in this matter, Your Honor. Thank you.
The judge set Cameron's bond at $95,000 and said that it would be fine for him to travel with the Falcons for work. He posted his bond after the hearing and was released from custody. But by the afternoon, the Falcons announced they were releasing him. In a statement, the team wrote, "The Atlanta Falcons have released wide receiver Cameron Batson from the practice squad. With the release of Batson, the Falcons currently have 15 players on the practice squad." Online records show Cameron Batson worked out a negotiated plea to the aggravated assault against a law enforcement officer and removal of a weapon from a peace officer charges. He was sentenced to 10 years of probation. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.